Hi guys, I'm Happy from Tattoo Lab. Okay, today I'm going to show you how to make a template. And it goes like this. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, we're going to make that today. So first, open my blank page right here. And I go to shapes. You go to basic shapes. You take this octagon, and click on it. You click shift and you draw it in. As you can see, this and this, it doesn't look the same. So you come here, click on it, and you just click this small yellow button here, and then you pull it back there. Now we have a diamond, and we can control D to duplicate it, make it just right there, and then click it again and go like that. A little bit away. Okay, good. There. One more duplicate. Oh, it's too big. We'll make it a little bit smaller. Select all and then make it control, make it smaller. And then you close again. Again. And then yeah, make a control D, make another duplicate. Yeah. There. Okay. So to the right a little bit. There. And now to make it like this, to make it flat, we have to select all, right click and go to format object. This. Okay, and then go to shape options. We go to 3D rotation. We go to present. We go to perspective. We go perspective relax. There. Now it's time to put the. Now we go to 3D format. Time to add the depth. Okay, let's make it 20 is enough. Yep, 20. And then now it's time for the color. Oh wait, before that, you have to make it look like the steps, like this. Okay, click this one. You go to shape options, go to 3D rotation. You go to the bottom. And this thing's from the ground. The first one is 0. The second one will be 40, and the third one will be 60, and the fourth one will be 80, and the last one will be 100. I think 20 is enough. Yeah, 20 is better. Okay, let's control Z to the start. There. Let's take 20. No, this one right here. 20. There. This one 40. This one 60. The last one is 8. You can do to 100 if you like, but now it's for the color. You go click on it and we go to shape format. The fill is the top of the diamond, and the outline is the depth of it. As you can see, when I go to shape fill, this one I'll make it color, this one yellow. Okay, and the outline, shape outline, it's going to be this orange, and then there's orange for the outline. As you can see, they're not the same color because the top is the shape fill and the depth is the outline, shape outline. Now let's go for this one. Let's take this one dark. Let's take this one a darker color, and outline. Let's make it white, bluish white. Now let's take this one there, the outline red, or maybe yellow. Yeah. And this one, shape fill purple, and then red. And this one, green, shape outline dark blue. Okay, now since we're done, now for the black man running. You can go find it on Google Chrome, black man running, or I already have it. There it is. But since I'm showing you how to do it, I'm going to tell you where to get the black man running. This one, just need to right click on it and copy image, and go Control V. Then we have it to remove the background of it to make it better. So, or simply because when it goes like this, it won't look nice. So we're going to remove the background. You go to picture format, go to remove background, and we have a closer look. If you like it, you just need to click the outside. But if you don't, you can keep the marks you want to keep, or you use this one to remove the place you don't want to keep. Okay, I like it like this. Now let me make it just a little bit bigger. Yeah, this size is better. Put it there. There is now for the animations. Now we go to animation pane, and we're going to start with this. We're going to this arcs. Take it. We're not going under, we're going above. So we're going to jump like we're jumping. So take up effect options, we go up and just put it right there. As you can see, it will go like that. Now add animations. Choose the same thing all over and all over again. There. This one just right there, but make it a little bit higher. And higher, not bad. And then do it again. And go down to X again. Option up. We keep doing this until we reach the end. There. And then add animations again the last time. Right there, and the second one after previous, third one after previous, the last one after previous. There, we go to the slideshow and see. Click. Okay, Now we're done. Great job. It worked. Thanks for watching my video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye.